Jada Kingdom is being sued by her former management team for her online rant. Stick around, full breakdown of the story coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there. Now people know that Jada been go through it with our management team. She went live and she let out a lot. You see what I say? She say a lot of things, right? And then when I see her online, then we hear rumors are circulate saying, she tried to harm herself. Still now no proof to that. Still no know if a she, but at this time people are pointing and say a she. May even say a little thing when somebody asks her boyfriend first months, like what going with Jada, and him respond to still, but him never really give no kind of like solid answers to if that happened or not. Which people at this time, I just want for those who say I not true said we. You see me? But people, we see the surface yesterday, nationwide. 95 FM post this, and it says that Jada Kingdom sued by management team following social media rant. So I did a look around online to see if I find an official court document here, or the initial suing document or anything like that. I couldn't find that, but I have the story for telling you what I want. So we are gonna get through it and see what I want, and then talk about it a little bit. So it says dancehall star Jada Kingdom is facing multi-million-dollar lawsuit from her management company Pop Style Music Publishing and her manager, who is popularly known as Pop Style. The lawsuit was filed in the Supreme Court this afternoon by attorney at law Ronald Young of the law firm Young Law, which is representing Pop Style Music Publishing and its principal. Jada Kingdom given name is Jada Ashanti Murphy. She is being accused of labeling her manager and her management company in comments she made in an Instagram live on April 13. So let's pause for a little bit, because the name the Ronald Young kind of jump out to me. I don't know if at the same lawyer did write the letter to Lava on behalf of Jada. We are going to talk about that later. But let's continue. So it says, the particular of claims form says Jada went on her social media platform and knowingly made false allegations which suggested that her manager and management team were dishonorable in their financial dealings with her. According to the legal team of Pop Style Music Publishing, at the time when she made the video to her fan base on social media, Kingdom knew that the claims she made are damaging and false. Kingdom is being asked to pay general damages, interest and damages, and to issue an apology to our management team and its principal. In a statement, Kingdom's manager said, over the past 4 years, he has done nothing but believe in the artist and support her on an financial and professional level. Now, people, when a year go on, so they want payment for general damages and for interest and damages. So just for be short, I think that mean like just talking bad about them, and maybe people don't want to work with them, maybe them lose business because of what Jada say. Now we don't know how that all going to court, because maybe them have to present say people actually not come and do business with them because of what Jada say. However, take into consideration, we know say them a Jada management team, but Jada did not call no name upon that live people. You see what I say? Which is kind of like safe for Jada. Jada know what she did do when she go and do it. You see what I say? This is just my opinion. If anybody want to challenge that, you tell me down in the comments section. Alright, so I continue and it says, Kingdom manager says he invested significant money into her career and personal well-being. The artist manager says, as is normal in the music industry, the management agreement between Kingdom and the team permits him to recoup his investment against her future earnings. Kingdom's manager says to date his investment in her remains substantially unrecouped, meaning say him spend money on her and him still not get back everything when him spend. Right? So people, me now go just read out the whole I think. It's just one little piece left anyway. But it come down to Jada Kingdom have 42 days to respond to this, right? So we don't know how it a go if she a go, cause this no must go in a court, then can decide for settle outside a court, and can decide say nah, go through with it no more. You know what I mean? What heap of way it can go. But however, right now we say she have 42 days to respond to this. Now people earlier me did I say if I did the same lawyer, they send the letter on behalf of Jada. No, it's not that lawyer, it's a different person. So we get that out of the way. But people, let's talk about the bunch of lawsuit, cause remember this, lawsuit is a thing where we hear throughout every minute. Like somebody up online, you say something about them, you post something about them, I go sue you. How much people actually go through with it? Now, me not go say this is the case, but even when we just talk about Jada and Lava, them send a letter to Lava and I say, you know what I mean, him fi cease from calling Jada name and Riri and take down a video. He ma make people accompany him platform and attack things, but are not never really come out of that. Now this is a different case still, but me just say, you know what I mean, there been cases before where people are say, yo, me I go sue you. Spice and Nuffy, you know what I mean? Spice says some things about Nuffy. Nuffy they say he might go sue Spice. Up till now we don't see nothing come out of that. Now people like me I say me not really know what going on with Jada. Jada did talk some things, but the smart thing she did, she cover her bases. Me know say she not call her name. Even though it's obvious say at that person that them attack about. They saw me I say pop style music publishing because of them being her manager, and she said, you know what I mean, but she used words like family and them thing that she never actually said manager. Me watch the whole live, I mean, no remember hearing no manager, none of them thing there. And the people that will put up the video, you know what I mean, probably frame it and say manager and them kind of thing there. But she never called her name people, and she never really say then take money from her. She said she get evicted and then no, and no help her, and she never had no car. Her mother live in a board house at the time, and then help her, and she said a couple things, you know what I mean? And you can go watch back the live. As a matter of fact, we might put a link to it. You see me? But like me I say, people don't know how this all hold up in a court. Hopefully Jada get over this. When she did the live, she did say she just account that off as a loss. So she never did even have any kind of vengeance against her management team. She said she just want to get out of that and cut that off as a loss, and then just continue on with the new music where she have. Then we don't know what happened. From that, Jada just go blank on social media. We don't see no post. We see her thing blackout, and then we hear rumors, and you know what I mean, we just see one little clip with her and verse. We don't know if a before or after this. But through all of this, I just hope that Jada okay still. I know you're the first person I go get sued, even if you get sued Chicago there, then just try if you sue Cargo and you turn around Cargo counter sue and win. You see me? So me not go say, me can't try the case, people. Me don't know what it is. You know what I mean? The management team might have a point and they might have grounds for sue for real. And if they do, you know what I mean, and she even have to pay them, oh well, you know what I mean? Life is not over. But it would set away if you really like, you know what I mean, look upon it like them might try to get something from Jada. Like if then they really care about her like that, I don't know. I mean, that's my opinion still. Me not think they can sue me for this. Opinion is opinion. Me not call them name, me not say nothing about them, you see me. But people wanna see the situation, wanna hear what go on, just get in the comment section and tell me what you feel about this. Alright, so no big up on yourself, stay safe out there, and you know what I mean, let's continue to do the right thing. Blessings to Jada, we love your music. You know what I mean, we hope you get a chance to continue give us some music and get over this little hurdle. You know what I mean, as the life go, you know what I mean, there's gonna be things at times. So big up on yourself, stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG, Atina. Excuse me, Dancehall IG, Rich. Punk, should know. Tento Blacks, Yadi.